Hello and welcome. The goal-seek function in Excel might save you a lot of time in reverse calculations and guesswork. Let's take a look. In the first example, our finance department gave us the figures for the first 3 quarters. In this table, we have the quarter labels, gross sales, profit percentages, and the net profit. In the first row is 26% of 54,000. We want to estimate the gross sales amount in the last quarter to finish the year with 65K. While it is true that we can do a manual reverse calculation in Excel using formulas, the goal seek will take care of it in just seconds. Before we start, make sure that this blank row has the net profit calculation. If you left this cell blank, it will give you an error. First, let's open the Data tab on the right, and in the forecast group, pick the what if analysis and then goal seek. Now the goal seek window opens. In here, we are going to click on set cell, and this is a cell with the ultimate goal or transformation that we need. In this case, is the total of the net profits, or the cell highlighted in yellow. So let's click on cell E9, and then you can click enter or the little arrow to its right. After we press enter or the down arrow to continue, then in the to value, we're going to type 65,000 because this is a transformation value or our ultimate goal, which is the net profit that we're looking for. After we write 65,000, let's go to the by changing cell field. In this case, let's pick the gross profit because we need 26% out of this number that we don't know yet to arrive at a total net profit of 65K. Just click OK and let Excel do its magic. So the gross sales that we need are 93,158 with 38 cents. And look how everything is calculated for us. Let's do another example with a business loan. Now let's say that we are looking for a business loan and our target monthly payment needs to be $2,500 or less. The payment function is already entered for us, but we need to do a reverse calculation. How can we get a $2,500 monthly payment by changing the loan amount? Before we continue, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly tips. Check the comments below so you can get our free 26 Excel shortcuts in PDF. In this example, let's assume that we only know the rate at 7% with a 30-year loan. Let's get the target loan amount. This time, let's use the shortcut for the goal seek. We can either click on any blank cell or the current payment, which is D27, the cell we want to change. The shortcut is Alt, A, W, and G. We press them one at a time, like when we type. Do not press them all at once, like a piano. The Excel Goal Seek window opens, and in the first selection is correct. D27 needs to change to 2,500 by changing the loan amount in D24. Press OK, and that is your target loan amount. Let's just copy and paste this loan amount in the cell below. In real life, you can repeat the steps with the interest rate or the loan term. Let me know in the comments if you feel the Goal Seek could help you in your business. Thank you for watching and see you next time.